What up, guys? We're doing another rewatch today. This one's a quick and dirty one, as we're gonna see. I started a little bit before Treaty Drop. If you look at it, it's 2:45 still. But just so you guys know the matchups, I'm right here. Alex is right here. This is Taylor, and there's Joel. Now notice that we've got poor, sweet, innocent Joel. He's got a beautiful defensive lake matched up against Larry, our token rapist. Racist, I'm so sorry, although it still applies for this game. As we see here, this is Austin following up Larry. We've got Chase here playing pocket to Travis. And Travis, we've got 2 seconds. I'm going to pause it right here. Pause, because Treaty just dropped. So this is when the attacks can happen. So we've got Travis here. We can see that his military is still getting built. They've got trade up back there. Travis has put 2 castles in because Travis thinks that I'm going to cut through right here. I don't know why he thought I was going to cut through right there, but he was convinced that he needed 2 castles right there because that's where I was going to cut through. I did not cut through right here. I cut through over here. So, I get why he wanted to cut through, but it was just like, you really went all in on that. And the moment I saw that, I was like, nope, not cutting through that way. So, let's look here. We're at Treaty Drop. There is no wall. There's no wall, and Austin is built on the other side here. Again, no wall. We see that Taylor is trying to build a wall, but it's trying to build. Treaty's up, and Austin's got everything to attack at Treaty Drop. Again, Joel's all in, waiting for Larry, who is cutting, by the way. We see that Larry is now cutting here, all at Treaty Drop. And this team just has nothing going for them. So let's watch what happens. Boom. We're going to slow it down a little bit, because I bet that it happens kind of fast. I don't like it. So here goes Larry. Larry's attacking. Larry plunges. This is Taylor, like, trying to stop the bleeding. He's using hussars. I don't know what that's about. Also, we see that Travis is at PopCap. Meanwhile, on this side, I'm starting to cut. Again, Larry is... where's Larry? So... oh, that's ugly. So the trade's been cut off too. This is just, guys, this is ugly. So there's Austin. Austin's going. Let's see what he does there. And meanwhile, I am cutting through here. Boom. I'm really sad about this, guys. Look, I'm already going in and attacking Travis. Travis is not ready for this, although Travis does have all of these. So Travis is kind of ready for it, but in like a weird sort of way. So, again, we're going to go back to the other side where Larry is winning and Austin is like, let's go. So Austin dives in. And where is he going? Is he going to me? Of course Austin goes to me. Why would I think otherwise? Although Austin also has guys back here. So Austin has gone to Alex and me. And just wrecked. Austin is now just wrecking my base. Where if you see, I'm throwing a ton of troops. I've taken out 1 town center. I think I take out 2 town centers eventually. And Travis is going in here. You see that? Again, Austin is just wrecking. He's just having so much fun with my base. Didn't even waste time. And Alex's base is wrecked. Just absolutely destroyed. And he's having his way with all these villagers. I tried walling off our trade, but it just made no difference. So we're holding out Travis now, who's gone full monster. And here goes Chase in. But we're kind of holding, but again, I have no food. All food is gone. And Austin is just going full rapist. Is the trade up? Oh, so they put a hole in the trade. Okay, that makes sense. So oddly, Joel held. But that's not going to hold very, very long because Larry's going nuts. And I'm amazed that I'm still in the game at this point because I have no hope. They're in the trade. This is like at tree drop. This game was just over. So, and you can see Austin's just streaming stuff. So Joel quits, I quit, David quits, and that's game. So that was the first one. It sucked. The next one, I'm not even rewatching because it was just as bad.